Welcome to the installation video for a SANILO shower curtain rod. The SANILO shower curtain rod features an impressive sturdy design, and it has a secure hold through its non-slip and scratch-proof caps at the ends. We will show you how simple it is to install a SANILO shower curtain rod without any need for drilling and screwing. First of all, remove the shower curtain rod from the packaging and place the caps on the correct ends. Adjust the shower curtain rod to the size you need and then extend it by about 2 centimeters longer than required. Now you can simply clamp the shower curtain rod between the walls by pressing it together slightly. Have you pulled the shower curtain rod too much? Then simply pull the shower curtain rod completely apart and remove the caps on both sides. Flip over the rod with the spring at the end and slot the two parts of the rod together until the spring is fully inserted again into the other rod. Then place again the caps on the correct ends of the shower curtain rod. Finally, expand the shower curtain rod again about 2 centimeters longer than required and clamp it into the designed position. The shower curtain rod offers now a reliable and resistant hold. There are many matching shower curtains, toilet seats, sink and bath plugs, bath mats and much more items available for this SANILO shower curtain rod. Turn your bathroom into an oasis of well-being.